A very good morning to you all. Welcome to Nivedita School online classes. So, in the last video, what did we study? What was the topic we are going to learn? Yeah, we saw the topic called the Jamun tree. Yes, the chapter 2 Jamun tree. We are in part 5. So, children, what did we study? What was the story? Do you remember? Yeah, there were two children. Yes, who were they? Rajat and Haruni. What was the name of the children? Rajat and Haruni. They lived near a forest. Yeah, there was a village near a forest, and the forest name was Panchavati Forest. What was the forest name? Panchavati. Yes, they lived there and they used to go to the forest. They used to love to sit under the jamun tree. Yeah, the jamun tree was so much big, and also it lived the jamun fruits. They used to eat those fruit, jamun fruit, and used to take some of the jamun fruits to their families also. So much fruit it used to leave. Yeah, and what did they name the jamun tree? Jamuni, right? Yes, children. So, and what happened later? After some days, on Sunday, they were going to the forest as usual. They heard a sound, tick, 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 right? What was the sound? Yeah, there were three people. Three men were there who were cutting the tree. They asked the way from the Ramu Chachu's tea shop and they went to the forest. The children were observing, right? These two children were observing what these three people were doing. Yeah, then they saw there these three men were cutting down the trees. Yeah, what they have to do? So they ran to their miss, yeah, to the teacher and they asked help. They said all the story, what was happening in the forest. As soon as the teacher heard, she went immediately to the school and rang the school bell. Yeah, then all the villagers came and saw what had happened. There they what did they got? They got angry. They went to the forest behind the children and they saw they warned. What did they say for the those three person? Yeah, stop, don't cut that tree, they said angrily. By hearing that, by seeing so many villagers, these three men got frightened and they ran away by leaving their axe. Yeah, yes, children, plants gives us so many things, right? It gives us in last class we learned, right? What are the things the plant gives? Yeah, the fruit, vegetable, wood, oil, spices, rubber, gum. Yeah, these all things the plant gives us. Yes? Yeah. So now open your page number 18. Page number 18. Yeah, now we are going to see these things. Yes, we will complete the activity part today. Yes, children. So, page number 18. The following sentence tell us to do or not to do something. These following sentence will say us, yeah, what to do and what not to do. Yes. What are these people saying? Rearrange the given words and find out. Yes, they have. What they have? They have mixed up the sentence. Yeah, if we mix the sentence, it won't give us complete meaning. Yes. So we have to rearrange these words and write. Okay. So the first, clean room your. What it is saying? Clean room your. So we have to write in correct sentence so that it gives us a meaning. So, clean your room. It's saying clean your room. Next, laughing stop. Laughing stop. Does it's giving proper meaning or proper sentence has been formed? No, right? Look. Next, here they have written stop laughing. Stop laughing. Yeah, it is saying us to stop laughing. Yeah. Next. Third, what the boy is doing? He is catching a jug in that there is a water. Yeah. So let's see what he is doing. Plant the water. Plants the water. We can't get any meaning from that sentence, right? So what it is the correct form of the sentence? Water the plants. Water the plants. So the boy what is doing? He is watering the plants. Yes, children, do you also water the plants? Yeah, we have to water the plants. Water is only the food for the plant. Yeah. Yes. And the fourth one is lesson read the. Yes, his mother is catching a book right in his hand, and there is a boy. What he is saying? Lesson read the. It is not in correct form, so we have to write in a correct form. So the answer is read the lesson. What the answer is? Read the lesson. And the fifth one is please me a pen give. Please me a pen give. What it is saying? We can't understand, right? Yeah. So what is the correct sentence is please give me a pen. Please give me a pen. And the sixth is please make Q. Please make Q. So it is not saying anything. What is the correct form of the sentence? Make a queue, please. Make a queue, please. He's saying us to stand in a line. Yeah? Make a queue, please. It's saying. So, if you go to the page number 19, there is an vocabulary. Yeah? Vocabulary is there. In page number 19. Match the opposites. So what we have to do now? We have to match the opposites. So in column 1 what it is there? Village, right? There are how many words? 6 words are there in column A, column 1, and in column 2 also there are 6 words. Yes? So we have to arrange the opposite words. So village, big, many, loud, thick, cruel. These are the column 1 words. In column 2 there is a thin, kind, slowly, city, few, small. These all are the column 2 words. So we have to match them. Village. Yes, what is the opposite word of village? City, right? Yeah. So you have to mark for the city. Yes. And big. What is the opposite of big? Small, right? Yes, small. We have to do it for small. Many. Many means only few. Yes, many and few are the opposite words. Yeah, few means a little. Yes, many means so many trees, they said, right? Few means only one or two. Yes, loudly. Loudly means slowly. If you say loudly, we have to speak slowly. Yeah, slowly means soft, speaking silently. Loudly means speaking loud in a loud voice. Yeah, thick. Thick and thin. Thick means you can see the tree's trunk will be very thick. Yeah, they have a thick stem, big stem. But the plants like coriander, then mint, tulsi, these stems are very thin, right, children? Yeah, it is an opposite word, thick and thin. Next, cruel is kind. Cruel means what? Not having soft heart. Yeah, but the kind is very kind person. Yeah, if you ask anyone, for example, I am saying if you ask someone eraser, the person will, your friend will give the eraser. Yeah, that is a kind person. If you ask that only the I am giving example for the cruel. If you ask sharpener for anyone, he says I don't have, but he'll be having. Yeah, that is the cruel word meaning. Yes. And the next is down of that only there is one more match the following, right? Match the word with their meanings it has given. What? Match the word with their meanings. So in the column 1, what it is there? Trunk, purple, twins, forest, axe. So in the column B, column 2, there are big words, right? Birds use them to build their nest. A tool for chopping wood. The main wood stem of the tree. Wild animals live here. The color of brinjal. It has given here, right? So now we have to match them. And the first one is the trunk. Trunk is the main woody stem of the tree, right? It is the main part of the tree. Without the trunk, the tree would not stand. Yeah, so trunk is the main woody stem of the tree. Purple. Yeah, brinjals are in purple color, right? So we have to match that. The color of the brinjal. Purple, the color of the brinjal. Next, twins. Twins. Birds use them to build their nest. Yeah, birds use twins to build their nest. Forest. Forest means where wild animals live here. There, which animals lives there? Wild animals. What are the wild animals? Lion, tiger, giraffe, zebra, chimpanzee, yes, gorilla. These all are wild animals. Yes. Axe. What is axe? Yeah, a tool for chopping the wood. To chop, to cut the wood, to break the wood, axe is used. Yes. And the next is in page number 19, there is a phonic practice. I think you all can read. Yeah, read and practice that, children. So we'll move on to the page number 20. Writing work is there. Look at these pictures, read the clues given and construct a story. So there are some clues given here. In your textbook also you can see in page number 20. There are some clues. By using these clues, you have to write a story on that. Yeah? Yes, children. Do this homework at your home. Take your parents' help and write a story, a small story. Yes? So I hope you all understood the second chapter also. We have completed the second chapter. Now what is your work? You have to study at home and complete all the things that I have given you. Complete all the work in the textbook only which I have shown you now. Everything should be up to date, children. I'll be asking you in the online classes. Yeah? Yes. Okay, children. Bye. Take care. Happy learning.